Alright, I'll be showing you guys how to view a private TikTok account. So before I proceed to do that, the question is it really possible to view a private TikTok account? Is it really possible? Alright, stay with me. If you're new on this channel, my name is Charles Chino. So, and right here I talk about ways you can make money online, how to tutorials, and also how you can grow your YouTube channel. So if this is your first time, do it to like this video, subscribe to this channel, and also drop a comment. So regarding if it's actually possible to view a private TikTok account, so the true answer is it is not possible to view a private TikTok account. Do you understand? All those videos that you are seeing out there that are showing you several ways you can view a private TikTok account, they are all fake. Don't follow them. Like, you might eventually get hacked on TikTok if you are going about what they say you should do. Some will say you should access an app, you should go to a website. Some will say you should screenshot that person's account and report to TikTok. All those things does not work. So there's no way to view a private TikTok account. The only solution is for you to proceed and follow the account. Just follow the account, and once they accept your request, then you get to see the person's profile. Do you understand? Or if you know you are a hacker, if you know you are a hacker, probably you know how you go about hacking that account and get to see what is in that account. But if you are not a hacker, there's no way you can go about seeing a private TikTok account. Do you understand? So let me go ahead and follow these accounts right now, and hopefully they will accept my request and I'll get to see what they have on their page. And that is basically how you go about seeing a private TikTok account. So I believe you got value, guys. If you did, do it to like this video, drop a comment, and subscribe to this channel. I'll be seeing you guys in my next tutorial. Bye, guys.